Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn about how to download and install the Turbo C in our Windows 10 PC. So let's see how to do it. Guys, first of all we have to open our Chrome browser. After that, type on a search bar download Turbo C++ for Windows 10 and press enter button. In the search result, click on the first website. And after that, here we click on a download button. After that, you can see the download icon in the corner. Click on that. After that, you go to the zip file and then click on Turbo C folder, and after that click on Turbo C++ Windows installer, and now installation process starts. Click on next. Click on I accepted the terms in the license agreement, and next. Install. Wait for a couple of minutes. Click on finish button. Now go back. Now you can see the Turbo C icon on your desktop. Click on that. Click on Start Turbo C++. Now you can see we have downloaded and installed Turbo C successfully. Guys, if you want to learn all the shortcut keys of Turbo C, then definitely watch my next video on Turbo C. After that you will become the master in the Turbo C. Guys, if you think this video is helpful for you, then click on like button, and thanks for watching till the end, and we will meet up soon in the next video.